In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a residual plot in Excel. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and get your worksheet ready. A residual plot is a useful chart when you want to evaluate how well a regression line fits your data. In simple terms, it helps you see whether the difference between your actual values and your predicted values is behaving the way it should. Those differences are called residuals. If the residuals are scattered randomly around zero, that usually suggests your linear model is a good fit for the data. For this example, use a simple data set with two columns. In the first column, enter advertising as your independent variable, and in the second column, enter sales as your dependent variable. Then fill in the sample values. For advertising, enter 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, and 400. For sales, enter 1200, 1450, 1680, 1900, 2100, 2350, and 2550. Make sure your data is organized clearly with headers at the top, because that will make the regression setup easier in the next step. Now we'll use the Data Analysis Toolpack, which is the recommended method because Excel can generate the residual plot automatically. Go to the Data tab in Excel and look for the Data Analysis button. If you don't see it, that usually means the Analysis Toolpack is not enabled yet. In that case, go to File, then Options, then Add-ins, and enable the Analysis Toolpack before returning to your worksheet. Once Data Analysis is available, click it and select Regression, then click OK. A regression dialog box will appear. For the Input Y range, select the Sales column, since that is the outcome you are trying to predict. For the Input X range, select the Advertising column, since that is your independent variable. If you included headers in your selection, make sure to check the Labels box so Excel interprets the ranges correctly. Next, look for the Residuals section and check Residual Plots. This tells Excel to create the plot for you as part of the regression output. After that, choose where you want the output to appear. You can place it in a new worksheet or in a specific location in the current one, depending on how you want your workbook organized. When everything is set, click OK. Excel will generate the regression results along with a residual plot. In that chart, focus on how the residual points are distributed around zero. A random spread with no obvious pattern is generally a good sign, while visible patterns may suggest the linear model is not the best fit. That's how to make a residual plot in Excel.